What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the rear HVAC vents on this BMW X7. This dial here for opening and closing the vent on the right side was kind of buried into the trim panel. So we're going to replace this entire panel in true BMW fashion. There's another outer panel that we'll have to transfer over, and you can see me kind of taking that off here using the trim tool. Using a couple of trim tools, but yeah, if you just kind of ease it off, it should pop out pretty easily. There's a couple of connectors you'll have to take off back here. On this gray and black one, you'll have to push down a tab and then release that little lever there. And you can see me struggling with it here, and it's just not quite pulled all the way back. That lever isn't. Now I'm taking out the old vents. That's actually where the problem is, but these old vents should just pop out. And they also have a white connector in there. And to get that off, you can just squeeze two tabs. A little tough to get on camera. There are 4 T15s that hold this big trim panel in place. Then you'll have to squeeze these little metal tabs and pop that panel the rest of the way out. You can see one side I got with my fingers, and the other side I ended up using like a pocket screwdriver on. To get the controls for the air conditioning, you'll have to lift up these little plastic tabs and then push back on that little HVAC module. And here's me installing it into the new trim piece. There are 3 guides I'm kind of trying to show you here. There are 2 on the sides and 1 at the top of it. So you kind of just line up those guides and then it should snap in. And you can see here I've got my HVAC controls back in. And now I'm going to transfer them onto this old outer trim piece. To do that, all you have to do is squeeze those metal tabs back in, the ones I was poking out with that pocket screwdriver earlier. And that looks pretty good. No more recessed door closing knobs, so that's a good sign. Now I'm just going to put those T15s back in. After you've got that bolted up, you can start putting your connectors back in. This style of connector is weird, so make sure it's all the way open, and then it should kind of close itself whenever you fold that lever back up. And then you can line up that white one that's on the vents. After that, you should just be able to line up that trim piece and put it back into the center console. I like to give it a couple of love taps to make sure it's totally seated. And that should be everything. Looks good to me. Fire it up, make sure your rear air conditioning is working, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment.